Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. I'll teach you 5 simple and useful phrases you can use every day. These phrases will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. So let's begin. Number 1. What's up? It means how are you? Or what are you doing? You can say this to friends and family. It's informal. Let us look at some examples now.
Hey, Sam, what's up?
Not much, just watching TV.
Repeat after me. What's up? Very good. Number 2. I'm just looking. You say this in a shop when you don't want help yet. Let us look at some examples now.
Can I help you?
No thanks, I'm just looking.
Let's say it together. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Great job. Number 3. That sounds good. You say this when you like an idea or plan. Example.
Let's go for ice cream.
That sounds good.
Try saying it. That sounds good. Perfect. Next, number 4. I'm not sure. Use this when you don't know the answer or need time to think. Let's see some example.
Do you want pizza or pasta?
I'm not sure.
Repeat after me. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Excellent. Number 5. I'll be right back. It does mean you're leaving for a short time. Example. I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Great job today. You learned 5 everyday English phrases. What's up? I'm just looking. That sounds good. I'm not sure. I'll be right back. Try using these phrases today. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share.